Good morning, students. Today, we will have a group discussion on the topic of active listening. We have Akansha, Smita, Rutvi, Rohit, and Aniket with us. Let's start with understanding what active listening is. Akansha, could you please explain what listening skill is?
Sure. Listening skill is the ability to accurately receive and interpret messages during the communication process. It's essential for effective communication. Without the ability to listen effectively, messages are easily misunderstood.
Great, Akansha. Now, Smita, can you tell us what active listening involves?
Active listening involves fully concentrating, understanding, responding, and then remembering what is being said. It includes making eye contact, using gestures, avoiding distractions, and giving feedback to the speaker to show that you are engaged.
Excellent points, Smita. Rutvi, can you walk us through the stages or steps to active listening?
Absolutely. The stages of active listening include 1. Receiving. This is the initial stage where you hear the speaker's words. 2. Understanding. Here, you decode the message, ensuring you understand it correctly. 3. Evaluating. This involves critically analyzing the message. 4. Responding. Finally, you give feedback, which can be verbal or non-verbal, to show that you are listening in. Understanding.
Very well explained, Rutvi. Rohit, how can we ensure that we are practicing active listening?
To ensure active listening, we can maintain eye contact, nod or use other gestures to show engagement, avoid distractions like phones or other gadgets, and summarize or paraphrase what the speaker has said to confirm understanding. It's also important to ask questions if something isn't clear.
That's insightful, Rohit. Aniket, what are some common barriers to active listening, and how can we overcome them?
Some common barriers include distractions, preconceptions or biases, emotional barriers, and interrupting the speaker. To overcome these, we should focus on the speaker, keep an open mind, manage our emotions, and resist the urge to interrupt. Practicing mindfulness can also help in staying present during the conversation.
Great points, Aniket. Now, let's discuss the importance of active listening in the workplace. Akansha, can you start?
Active listening in the workplace is crucial for effective communication and collaboration. It helps in understanding tasks and instructions clearly, which can prevent mistakes and increase productivity.
Adding to that, active listening builds better relationships with colleagues. It shows respect and empathy, which fosters a positive work environment and can lead to more effective teamwork. It also aids in conflict resolution. By actively listening, we can understand different perspectives and find mutually agreeable solutions more effectively.
Yes, and it enhances customer satisfaction too. When employees actively listen to customers, they can better address their needs and concerns, which can lead to improved service and customer loyalty.
Finally, active listening contributes to personal growth. It helps in developing patience, improving focus, and enhancing overall communication skills, which are valuable in any career.
Thank you, everyone, for your valuable insights. It's clear that active listening is a vital skill in both personal and professional contexts. I hope this discussion has helped everyone understand its importance and how to practice it effectively.